If you're getting your deck built with a permit or you're hoping to get a permit in the future, maybe you've asked yourself that question. The decking that I install, will the city approve it? Or possibly you had a deck built and you're only finding out now that the material you installed does not meet Ontario Building Code or the regulations by one of the cities or towns in Ontario. The reality is that some composite deck materials will meet Ontario Building Code requirements. And this is what we call a CCMA or CCMC approval. It's a governing body that tests different materials, and this is a letter or a test that the cities would refer to. So some manufacturers like Fiberon, Trex, True North have some of their product lines certified with CCMC board in Canada, and they are on an approved list of materials that are approved. So if you're concerned if a particular material that you like will meet the code or will not meet the code, talk to us. We'll be able to help you that, or you can talk to your local building department. One of the major factors to determine if you want a rule of thumb, so to speak, to figure out if material is approved or not is if material is a composite and it has a solid bottom, a solid profile, it is more likely that this material will be approved. If the material has a scalloped profile, which I don't seem to have a sample here, but let's flip this one. If the bottom is scalloped, very likely this material flexes when it's hot too much, and it will not be approved by the Ontario Building Code. And PVC deck boards, for the most part, are not approved by the building code for the same reason. In hot temperatures, they flex too much, there's too much deflection. Even if you're not getting a permit, you really want a material that is approved. So you will go with something that is solid, that is rigid, and you should go with a material that is approved by the Ontario Building Code.